please watch to the end, comment on other people's comments.
As I'm listening, then he gets to the end and tells me that, the man had fired 2 shots into the car. So, of course, as a parent, he's okay. Your child's talking to you, but that was very difficult to hear, very alarming.
Tonight, we're hearing from a Hazel Green family still shaken up after their son was a victim of a road rage that ended with gunfire and a scratched up car.
News 19's Shoals Bureau Chief Whitney Leibel spoke with the family. We do want to warn you, some of the videos and photos you're about to see may be upsetting to some viewers.
Well, it all started right here on US 231 here in Hazel Green, where a teen was on his way home for the night when a driver pulled up next to him and started shooting. A terrifying moment.
I noticed some headlights in my mirror, so I look and someone's just kind of tailing us real close, flashing their high beams at us.
Jackson Shores was driving his friend home when that driver behind him started driving erratically.
The car behind me, he sped up over beside me and then had his window rolled down, yelling, cussing, just kind of, being angry.
Jackson says the driver then started to drive him off the road. Jackson got back on the road and then things escalated quickly.
So that's when he sped back up and she pulled her phone out and tried to video a little bit and he shot a firearm and there were 2 bullet holes that were close to the tire. So what they're saying is he was trying to hit my front tire. Luckily not aiming for us, but either way, once he fired it, there was nowhere else, I could really go. So I had to try and just slow the car down and get into the ditch, just get away from him.
This is Jackson's car after the incident. Dents, scratches, and bullet holes. Jackson says his mom was the first person he called.
Of course, as a parent, he's okay. Your child's talking to you, but that was very difficult to hear, very alarming.
We reached out to the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency and Madison County Sheriff's Office. Both are investigating this situation. And of course, if you have any information or details about this situation, please reach out to the Madison County Sheriff's Office. In Hazel Green, Whitney Leibel, News 19.
Jackson and his passenger do not have any injuries, but both families want answers as to why this happened and who did it. As we learn more, we will update you both on air and online at WHNT.com.
Breaking news at 10, a man is locked up for allegedly shooting at 2 teenagers in a road rage incident that happened in Hazel Green last Saturday. We were the first to break the news of that shooting on Highway 231 near Hazel Green Pharmacy. Tonight, the Madison County Sheriff identifies Donnie Kent of Lincoln County, Tennessee, as the suspect in this case. Right now, he's in the Lincoln County Jail awaiting extradition to Madison County. He faces charges including discharging a gun into an occupied vehicle, and he could face more.
You're watching News 19. We start with breaking news.
In that breaking news, a man accused of shooting at a teenager's car during a road rage incident in Hazel Green's been released on bond. The Madison County Jail View shows Donnie Kent was released Tuesday.
Why not attempted murder?
The incident happened along Highway 231 when authorities say he tried to run the victim's car off the road and then shot at the car with a gun. Kent later arrested by the Madison County Sheriff's Office.
Do you think the charges are correct?